In the interconnected world of software, applications constantly communicate with each other. This communication is facilitated by application programming interfaces, commonly known as APIs. Simply put, an API acts as a messenger that allows different software systems to talk to each other. It defines a set of rules and specifications that govern this interaction, enabling seamless data exchange and functionality sharing. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You interact with the waiter to place your order. The waiter then communicates this order to the kitchen, which prepares your food. In this scenario, the waiter acts as an API, relaying information and requests between you and the kitchen. APIs eliminate the need for complex integrations, allowing developers to leverage pre-built functionalities of other applications. This fosters innovation and accelerates software development, as developers can focus on building unique features without reinventing the wheel. By simplifying complex interactions, APIs have become the backbone of modern software development, enabling seamless connectivity and driving innovation across industries. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, APIs are silently working behind the scenes, powering countless applications and services we use daily. When you check the weather app on your phone, an API fetches real-time weather data from a remote server. When you book a ride through a ride-sharing app, APIs connect the app with mapping services, payment gateways, and driver databases. Online shopping relies heavily on APIs for inventory management, payment processing, and order tracking. Social media platforms utilize APIs to enable seamless content sharing, user authentication, and social interactions. Consider the act of logging into a website using your social media account. An API allows the website to communicate with the social media platform, verifying your credentials and granting access without requiring you to create a new account. The pervasiveness of APIs highlights their crucial role in simplifying our digital lives, connecting disparate systems, and enabling seamless user experiences. The API economy is experiencing explosive growth, driven by the increasing demand for seamless connectivity, data sharing, and digital transformation initiatives. Businesses across industries are leveraging APIs to streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and create new revenue streams. The rise of mobile devices, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things, or IoT, has further fueled the adoption of APIs. Mobile apps rely heavily on APIs to access data and functionalities from remote servers. Cloud-based services expose their capabilities through APIs, enabling businesses to integrate cloud solutions into their existing infrastructure. The proliferation of APIs has given rise to a thriving API economy, where businesses can monetize their APIs, creating new revenue channels and fostering partnerships. While APIs offer immense potential, they also introduce security risks that cannot be ignored. As APIs expose sensitive data and functionalities, they become prime targets for malicious actors. A single vulnerability in an API can have cascading effects, compromising entire systems and leading to data breaches. In 2024, Twilio, a leading cloud communications platform, experienced a major security breach due to an unsecured API endpoint. Attackers exploited this vulnerability to gain access to customer data, including phone numbers and authentication tokens. This incident highlighted the importance of robust API security measures to protect sensitive information. Other security concerns include injection attacks where malicious code is inserted into API requests, and denial of service attacks, which overwhelm APIs with traffic, rendering them unavailable. Section 5. Safeguarding the messengers, API security measures. To mitigate API security risks, organizations must adopt a multi-layered approach that encompasses robust authentication, authorization, encryption, and monitoring. Strong authentication mechanisms such as multi-factor authentication add an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide multiple forms of verification. Authorization controls ensure that only authorized users or systems have access to specific APIs and data. Encrypting data in transit and at rest protects sensitive information from unauthorized access. Continuous monitoring and logging of API activity help detect and respond to suspicious behavior in real time. By implementing robust security measures, organizations can safeguard their APIs and protect sensitive data from unauthorized access. Section 6. The evolving API landscape, management and development trends. The API landscape is constantly evolving, with new trends emerging in API management and development. API management platforms provide centralized control and visibility over APIs, enabling organizations to manage the entire API lifecycle, from design and development to deployment and monitoring. Agile methodologies such as DevOps and continuous integration and continuous delivery are being adopted to accelerate API development and deployment cycles. Microservices architecture, where applications are broken down into smaller, independent services, is gaining traction as it promotes flexibility, scalability, and faster development. These trends highlight the growing importance of efficient API management and development practices to ensure the reliability, scalability, and security of APIs. Section 7. AI and the API revolution, enhancing connectivity and security. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly significant role in the API landscape, enhancing both connectivity and security. AI-powered API gateways can analyze API traffic in real time, detecting and blocking malicious requests before they reach back-end systems. Machine learning algorithms can identify anomalies and patterns in API usage, helping organizations proactively address potential security threats. AI can also automate API documentation generation, reducing manual effort and improving accuracy. The integration of AI into API management and security solutions is transforming the way APIs are developed, deployed, and secured. Section 8. Shaping the future of APIs, emerging standards and architectures. As the API landscape continues to evolve, new standards and architectures are emerging to address the growing demands of interconnected systems. GraphQL, a query language and runtime for APIs, is gaining popularity for its flexibility and efficiency in fetching data. REST, a widely adopted architectural style for designing networked applications, continues to evolve with new specifications and extensions. Serverless computing and edge computing are also influencing API design and deployment, enabling developers to build and deploy APIs without managing servers. These emerging trends highlight the continuous innovation in the API space, driven by the need for more efficient, scalable, and secure API solutions. Section 9. APIs, the road ahead, a connected future. APIs have become the invisible threads that connect our digital world, enabling seamless communication between applications, devices, and services. As we move towards a more interconnected future, the role of APIs will only become more critical. The future of APIs will be shaped by advancements in AI, serverless computing, edge computing, and the increasing adoption of API-first design principles. We can expect to see more intelligent, secure, and efficient APIs that power innovative applications and experiences across industries. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, APIs will continue to drive digital transformation, unlocking new possibilities and creating a more connected future.